Hi, this is the help file for Access Chapter 2, Guided Project 2-1. This movie will cover steps 1 through 5. To begin, I'm in my assignments folder, or my assignment in a tile in SimNet. I'm going to download the start file. I'm going to enable that start file. Notice there's no resources, and I'm going to download the solution. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the data file that we downloaded and enable that. So I have that done, enable. Click the Table Design button, which is in the Create and then Table Design. So what we're going to do here is create a new table in Design View. So let's take a look at what we're going to be putting in there. Branch, and it's going to be our primary key. We're going to have the address of the branch, the city, the state, the zip, the phone, and the date opened. All of the data types are here, so we're just going to come down here and put these in. Then we're going to modify the properties after we get each field in. So the first field name that I'm going to type is branch. I'm going to hit my tab key. It is a short text, so I'm going to leave it alone. Hit tab, unique branch name. Before I leave this field, this is going to be the primary key, or the unique value in each in this table. Each row or each record will have a unique branch name. So I'm going to click and make that a primary key. You can see the primary key there. So we have done these steps. Now we're going to go ahead and add the remaining. So I'm just going to hit tab, address, tab. It's short text, so then I'm just going to type in the description. City, tab, short text, so I leave it alone. Branch, city, tab, state, state, short text, branch, state, zip, all caps, branch, zip code. Those are all short text. Phone, short text, branch, main, phone number, and then date opened. That is a date time field, so I hit my D to switch the data type to date time, and then I'm going to type date the branch first opened. So I'm going to go ahead and save that now by clicking on the save, and I'm going to call it branches. So now I have a new table. In addition to employees, which was there when we opened it, we have branches. So I have all of these created, and we have it saved. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come and fix the properties. So I'm going to put my cursor on the branch field. Down here I'm going to say it's 30, and required is yes, which it would be because it's a primary key. So we have these done. We're going to click down to address. Where do address go? Row selector, branch, address, and it's going to be 40. And required, yes. Remember, when you do required, you just have to double click on it. City is going to be 20 and required. State is going to be 2, and the default value, so we find the property that says default value, is going to be CA for California, and it's required. Putting this default in means that the person entering would not have to put CA in every record. They could still change it if the off chance it's a different state. But since most of the states with branches are in California, you would just put that. All right, zip is going to be 9, and it is required. Phone is 10, and it is required. Date opened. We don't have a size, but we do have a format. So on the format in the properties, I'm going to click down arrow and make sure we pick medium date, not medium time, medium date, and it is required. Take a second and save that table again. So now we've got the bare bones of the data structure done. In the next movie, we're going to step it up a little bit by doing some input masks and then try and put some information in. All right, thank you.